10 UK towns with traditions that have survived for centuries. Across the United Kingdom, traces of the past live quietly among rolling hills, fishing harbours, cobbled lanes, and village greens. Some places guard their heritage so closely that centuries-old traditions still unfold today as naturally as the rising sun. These ancient British customs are more than quaint ceremonies. They are living reminders of the rituals, beliefs, and rhythms that shaped entire communities. From fire festivals along the Scottish coast to horse fairs in the heart of Cumbria and medieval ceremonies on the Yorkshire seafront, these traditions reveal a side of British culture that time has never quite managed to wash away. Here are 10 UK towns with traditions that have survived for centuries, ranked from the newest of the ancient to the oldest recorded tradition still practiced in Britain today. 10 Hastings, East Sussex, Jack in the Green, 19th century roots. Hastings, with its sweeping shoreline and steep, winding streets, has a way of making folklore feel close to the surface. Each May Day, this seaside town bursts into colour during the much-loved Jack in the Green festival. The entire celebration feels like a song from another era. Cheerful drums, leafy costumes, dancing troupes weaving through the town, and a towering green figure at the centre of it all. The tradition of Jack in the Green can be traced back to the late 18th and early 19th centuries, when chimney sweeps created elaborate leaf-covered frames to welcome spring. Though the modern version was revived in the 1980s, it follows the soul of the original ritual closely. You can feel the energy of old British traditions as Morris dancers clash sticks, drums echo off the cliffs, and residents honour the turning of the seasons. Hastings is a perfect example of how British folklore is kept alive through joy, creativity, and a town's devotion to its own heritage. The festival blends history and celebration into something that feels timeless, reminding visitors how deeply rooted spring rituals are in British cultural history. 9. Stonehaven, Aberdeenshire. The Fireball Ceremony, early 20th century documentation. On New Year's Eve, while many towns welcome the new year with fireworks, Stonehaven does something far more dramatic. As midnight approaches, locals gather along the high street to watch participants swing blazing fireballs above their heads, a fiery dance of sparks and smoke, as they walk toward the harbour. The Stonehaven Fireball ceremony has been recorded since the early 1900s, though its symbolism reaches deeper into the world of ancient British customs, particularly the idea of cleansing the old year to welcome the new. By the time the parade reaches the waterfront, the final fireball is hurled into the sea, sending a burst of light across the dark water. Even though the documented history is just over a century old, the atmosphere feels far older, almost elemental. As the flames burn against the winter sky, it becomes clear why Stonehaven's ritual is considered one of the most visually striking traditional festivals in the UK. It's a moment of unity, renewal, and spectacular spectacle, all woven into the fabric of British culture. 8. Rochester, Kent. The Sweeps Festival, inspired by 17th to 18th century customs. Rochester's Sweeps Festival is a joyful celebration of springtime energy, folk music, and community spirit. Historically, chimney sweeps marked May Day with lively gatherings, singing, dancing, and celebrating the end of winter's hardship. These customs, rooted in the 17th and 18th centuries, eventually faded as the trade changed, but Rochester revived the tradition in 1981, giving it new life while honouring its historic core. Today, the town fills with Morris dancers, folk musicians, and hundreds of performers dressed in colourful attire. The symbolic awakening of Jack in the Green marks the arrival of spring, echoing a time when communities turn to rhythm and ritual to usher in warmth and new beginnings. Rochester proves how old British traditions can be reborn without losing their authenticity. Its festival remains one of the most cherished modern expressions of UK heritage, connecting people to centuries-old seasonal customs. 7. Helston, Cornwall, Flora Day, recorded since the 1790s. In the quiet Cornish town of Helston, the arrival of May brings one of the most elegant traditional festivals in the UK, Flora Day. Recorded since the 1790s, this celebration marks the coming of spring with music, greenery, and dances that flow gracefully through the narrow streets. The signature furry dance is a beautiful example of how British cultural history is preserved in movement rather than words. Dancers wind through homes, businesses, and doorways in a tradition that blends community pride with pure pageantry. Residents decorate the town with flowers, creating a living tapestry of colour symbolising renewal. The festival has run for generations, carried forward by families who understand the importance of safeguarding centuries-old traditions in the UK. Watching the dancers move to the familiar tune, one that has echoed through Helston for well over 200 years, feels like stepping into an unbroken chain of memory. 6. Padstow, Cornwall. Obby Festival, documented from the late 1700s, likely older. Padstow's Obby Festival is one of the most spirited expressions of UK traditions still practiced today. Mentioned in documents from the late 18th century, the ritual is almost certainly older, possibly medieval in origin, but what makes it remarkable is how little it has changed. On May Day, the town becomes a swirl of music, drumming and dancing as two rival horses, Old Oss and Blue Ribbon Oss, parade through the streets. The sound of accordions fills the air, residents sing traditional verses, and houses are decorated with greenery to welcome summer. The festival offers a powerful glimpse into ancient British customs, where rhythm, ritual, and symbolism played central roles in community life. Padstow's dedication to preserving this tradition makes it one of the most iconic celebrations in British folklore. 5. Appleby in Westmoreland, Cumbria. Appleby Horse Fair, charter granted in 1685. Appleby in Westmoreland carries one of the most historic gatherings in Britain, the Appleby Horse Fair, recognised by a 1685 charter, but rooted in traditions even older. This centuries-old event has become a cherished annual gathering for travelling communities and horse enthusiasts across the UK. Horses are washed in the River Eden, shown proudly along the flashing lane, and traded in scenes that feel unchanged for generations. Families return year after year, passing down knowledge, stories, and customs that strengthen the fair's cultural importance. Appleby's Fair is a living example of UK heritage in motion, vibrant, enduring, and connected deeply to the landscape of Cumbria. It demonstrates how old British traditions can remain relevant, meaningful, and celebrated across centuries. 4. Lewes, East Sussex. Bonfire Night Processions, 1600s origins. In Lewes, Bonfire Night is not just an evening of fireworks. It is one of the strongest surviving expressions of British cultural history. While the tradition of lighting bonfires on the 5th of November is widespread, Lewes elevates it into something monumental, thanks to bonfire societies whose roots stretch back to the 1600s. These societies protect distinctive uniforms, banners, musical styles, and ceremonial rituals that have been handed down for centuries. The torches, drumming, parades, and fiery displays create an atmosphere that feels steeped in deep historical meaning. The scale of Lewes's procession, along with its centuries of continuity, has made it one of the most iconic traditional festivals in the UK. It stands as a testament to how communities nurture their past, ensuring the survival of meaningful rituals. 3. Abbots, Bromley, Staffordshire. The Horn Dance, recorded in 1686, antlers date to circa 1000 AD. The quiet village of Abbots Bromley preserves one of the world's most unusual ancient traditions, the Abbots Bromley horn dance. Official records place the tradition in 1686, but carbon dating of the antlers used in the dance shows they were fashioned around the 11th century, meaning the physical objects used today are more than 1,000 years old. Every September, dancers carry these ancient antlers through the village and surrounding countryside, accompanied by musicians and characters like the hobby horse. The route includes ancient stopping points, connecting the present to the past in the most literal sense. Few UK towns with ancient traditions can claim anything quite as striking or mysterious. The horn dance encapsulates the magic of British folklore, offering a window into rituals that have survived millennium-length journeys. Two Llanwrtyd wells, Wales, Lwyd, documented from early 1800s, older routes suspected. In winter, the small town of Llanwrtyd Wells becomes the guardian of one of Wales' most enchanting customs, the Lwyd. Documented since the early 1800s, the tradition likely stretches further back into the heart of Celtic ritual. At its centre is a decorated horse skull, adorned with ribbons and bells, carried by a costumed leader. Accompanied by singers, the group goes from house to house performing poetic challenges known as Munco. Only after winning the verbal duel does the group gain entry, turning the custom into a lively celebration of wit, community, and seasonal spirit. The Lwyd embodies the fascination people have with ancient British customs, those rituals that capture imagination, symbolism, and an unbroken connection to history. Llanwrtyd Wells keeps this remarkable part of British culture alive with warmth and pride. 1. Whitby, North Yorkshire. Penny Hedge ceremony, documented in 1159. Whitby holds the oldest fully recorded tradition on this list, one that has endured for more than 860 years, the Penny Hedge ceremony, first documented in 1159. Few oldest traditions in Britain have maintained such extraordinary continuity. Each year, on the eve of Ascension Day, officials gather at the harbour to build a small hedge using stakes and withies. The materials must be cut using tools bought for exactly 1 penny, a detail written into the medieval instructions. Once assembled, the hedge must resist the incoming tide, symbolising endurance, memory, and duty. Watching the hedge stand against the sea feels like witnessing history breathe. Whitby's ceremony is a jewel of UK heritage, preserving not just a custom, but a moment of medieval life that still holds meaning today. Across these 10 towns, time is not something that has passed. It is something carefully tended. Their festivals, dances, rituals, and gatherings show how deeply British culture treasures its roots. These long-standing traditions keep history alive, offering rare and beautiful glimpses into centuries of shared heritage. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.